Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Spring is just around the corner, and that means it's time to start planting our gardens. Today I'm sharing my top tips for selecting the best plants for your spring garden. Let's dive right in. First off, consider your local climate. Do a little research on your region's hardiness zone. This will help you understand which plants are most likely to thrive in your garden. For example, if you're in a warmer zone, you might have great success with plants like azaleas and camellias, while cooler zones might be better suited for tulips and daffodils. Next, think about the amount of sunlight your garden gets. Is it full sun, partial shade, or full shade? Different plants have different light requirements. For full sun areas, consider sun-loving plants like marigolds and petunias. For shadier spots, hostas and ferns can be wonderful choices. Now let's talk soil. Knowing your soil type, whether it's sandy, clay, or loamy, can really influence plant selection. Many garden centers offer soil testing kits, or you can send a sample to your local cooperative extension office. Once you know your soil type, you can choose plants that will thrive in those conditions. For example, lavender prefers well-drained sandy soil, while hydrangeas love rich, loamy soil. Another tip is to consider the mature size of the plants. It's easy to get excited about those cute little seedlings, but remember they will grow. Check the plant tag, or ask a nursery expert about the plant's full-grown size. This will help you avoid overcrowding and ensure each plant has enough space to flourish. Companion planting is also a great strategy. Some plants work really well together, providing mutual benefits like pest control or improved growth. For instance, planting marigolds near tomatoes can help deter harmful insects. Do a bit of research or ask a local expert about good companion plants for your garden. And finally, don't forget about your personal preferences. Choose plants that you love and that will bring you joy. After all, gardening is about creating a space that makes you happy. Whether you prefer vibrant colors, fragrant blooms, or edible plants, there's something for everyone. So there you have it, my top tips for selecting the best plants for your spring garden. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in ensuring a beautiful and thriving garden. Happy gardening, and see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching,